going to give you a video walk round of our 2016 March 16 Golf GTD DSG automatic 5-door in white. Some nice little options on this car. This has been our car. My son's been using it for the last 7 or 8 months and it's fantastic. Lovely condition. We'll start at the front here and carefully show you around. As you see on the side, it's been fitted with CLUBSPORT graphics. They can be removed, but I think they look really nice. It's got black NOGARO diamond cut 18-inch wheels and red painted calipers. Front and rear park sensors. Radar cruise. Still under manufacturer's warranty till March 2019. It has been serviced at Volkswagen. It's not due another service yet. All the tyres are good. Wheels are all in nice condition. There's a little mark here and there, but I'll show you as we're going round. Little tiny bit there on the edge. One of the nicest things, it's got a panoramic glass tilt slide sunroof, which was a must when we bought this car. Rear privacy glass. It's got the lip extension spoiler on the rear there. LED lights, the rear lights all LED. Quick look in the boot, all nice and clean in there. Right, quick look in the back. Piano black, sort of satin finish. Lovely interior, the tartan check. It's got the lights there underneath the wing mirrors, puddle lights. It's got automatic power folding mirrors, which are also heated. Illuminated door kick strips, you can see there. Got all the Volkswagen over carpets, they've just been cleaned. So sport seats, front armrest, flappy paddle gear change with paddle extensions on here. Mileage today 30,160. It's got satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, Apple CarPlay. It's got heated front seats, climate control. It's got the button engine stop start as well. So it's got some really nice options, as you see. LED interior lights. Light bar headlamps with the LED daytime running lights set into the size of the front spoiler. Conditions lovely throughout, 2 keys, all its books, HPI certificate. Took a bit of finding for us because we wanted this spec when we bought this car. Hope you want the same, but the important things: panoramic roof, DSG box, satellite navigation, heated seats, front and rear park, in white. Full description of this car is on our website, justnicecars.co.uk. Any questions, please give us a ring at any time. Thank you for watching.